Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this video. Appreciating your time and your support. Shooting this video in 1080p 60 frames per second with the Sony Xperia XZ2 Premium. That's right, the Sony Xperia XZ2 Premium here for me in 2019. Starting the reviewing process, sharing that experience with all of you. Let me know what the quality is like while watching this video, 1080p 60 frames per second, and the audio quality. Let me know what that sounds like, testing out the mics. I do have a tempered glass screen protector and case on my Sony Xperia XZ2 Premium. I'll be sharing the links down below in the description, and I'll be sharing a little more information during the unboxing and hands-on first impressions, and a short and sweet speaker comparison as well. That'll be coming up following this part of the video, so do not leave the video. That will be coming up. A lot more to share with all of you. I just wanted to share a little bit how I ended up with this device, priced at $548 and some change. I put a $50 gift card into the purchase that I received for Christmas, brought it down to $498 smacks. That's what came out of my pocket. This device was originally priced just under $1,000 when it first came out this last year in 2018. I've seen it at Best Buy for $8.99, dropped to $7.99, back up to $8.99. Amazon right now, $6.99 brand new. Amazon warehouse deal though, for me, $4.98 with, with adding in that gift card, but originally priced at $548. Apparently this package went out to whoever originally bought it, but when I got to them, they denied the package due to the fact that the package was pretty munched up during the delivery process. I don't know if somebody just stepped on it or what, man, but I guess what the rep said on the phone is it was pretty, the packaging, the box was pretty damaged. Even the Sony box was a little bit munched. I'll probably edit in an image of that along with some other images. You'll see my first battery test, screen on time test, edited during the unboxing, so I'll be looking forward to that. So I started using it right away when it got to me. I mean, it goes back to the Amazon warehouse. They thoroughly inspect these type of items before they send them back out. They seal them back up. They put a sticker on it that says Amazon warehouse deals inspected, and then you can buy it, for whatever they feel that it's going to be a fair price. For me, original price again $548, but with the $50 gift card, $498. Yeah, I keep stressing that out because I'm super stoked about that price point. I don't know if you think it's a great deal, but I do. And so far, since receiving it and using it as a phone, it's working. Phone calls going out, coming in, messaging going out, coming in. Everything working great there. Performance, functionality, the cameras, the front dual speakers, the display. I'll be sharing more with you, but everything functioning the way it should be a few days into it. Yeah, I couldn't be any happier in 2019 to start off my year with the Sony Xperia XZ2 Premium. One of my boys has the Sony Xperia XZ Premium, a device that I originally had and reviewed and shared with all of you, and he's super stoked. He loves it. But I've been scoping this device out for quite some time, and here it is. For me, this is the latest and greatest right now. We have a lot of devices coming out that I should have turned down the music a while back ago. Apologize for that. We have a lot of devices rolling out in 2019 that are going to be quote unquote the latest and greatest, but that doesn't mean that you can't pick up a device that came out in 2018, 2017. As long as it works for you and it's at a great price point, because price points are dropping, folks. If it works for you, checks the boxes, that can be your latest and greatest. We're gonna have a lot of intriguing devices. Foldable phones are going to be in the conversation a lot. Gotta get parked here. A lot of different type of devices, slider devices, devices with notches, with drip notches, with punch holes, black holes, whatever you want to call them. So all sorts of devices, a lot of intriguing devices with a lot of different price points, whether they're budget, mid-range, flagship. It's going to be an exciting year, an intriguing year, hopefully. But again, picking up something that has already come out, that has dropped in price, can be the latest and greatest for you. I just feel that that whole phrase, that whole statement is overrated. Overrated. Take your time, shop wisely, utilize the information you gather while doing homework. Don't spend your money so quickly. There's something out there that's already come out that, in my opinion, will compete with devices that are rolling out in 2019. Yes, they will compete. So take your time. Right now, everything working great with the Sony Xperia XZ Premium, XZ2 Premium. Want to make sure I put that 2 in there. But again, if anything comes up, I'll be sharing that with all of you. 30-day return policy plus an additional 90 days. That's a total of 120 days. That is an awesome return policy when you buy an item through the Amazon warehouse like a smartphone. So hey, do your homework. You could come up with a great deal. I'm just so stoked to be able to share this with all of you. So anyway, we're going to roll into the second part of this video. Thanks for watching the first part and not leaving. And now I'm going to share some hands-on first impressions. I did start using the device, and then I did the unboxing. So I did everything backwards, only because I bought it through the Amazon warehouse, and I wanted to make sure that everything was working properly. And if it didn't, I was going to send it right back. But hey, this device never got used. It's brand new. The box was munch. It was refused. It went back. They inspected it. But it is a brand new device. Cosmetically, everything intact. Internally, so far, everything working the way it should. But we'll see, right? That's what the reviewing process is all about. All right, I'm out. To the unboxing. Peace. God bless. Just for fun, I went ahead and put my Sony Xperia XZ2 Premium back in the box so we can do a quick unboxing. But I did want to go over the tempered glass screen protector that I have on my XZ2 Premium. $9.99 from Rinky, Invisible Defender, ID Glass. Premium tempered glass screen protector. Went on nice and easy, and it's working great. At this point, I would recommend this tempered glass screen protector for the XZ2 Premium. And also this third-party case. You can get it in black, red, and gray for $5.85. Protect your investment, man. That's the message. Protecting your investment. And totally up to you. I would recommend both of these products, and I'll be bringing in some more products for my XZ2 Premium, and I will talk about those as they come in. So with that being said, let's go ahead and put my OnePlus 6T to the side and get into the Sony Xperia XZ2 Premium, top of the box. Totally digging that rainbow effect there. The little things that amuse me, right? Xperia XZ2 Premium, Sony, and here is the XZ2 Premium in all its glory. Got to be careful not to hit that dedicated camera button right there that Sony is well known for. When you do have a case on this device, it's a lot harder to trigger that area, so you might see me trigger that area periodically throughout this video. You have the power button right here and your volume rocker right there. I wish that was on the other side, but now I'm nitpicking. 13 megapixel shooter, earpiece that doubles up as a speaker, your notification light there, and down at the bottom you have your second front speaker right
starts right there and goes all the way to about right there. Front dual speakers, and they sound great. On the back, glass back, Gorilla Glass 5 on this 5.8-inch IPS LCD display. Glass back, fingerprint reader, dual camera setup back here, a 19 megapixel shooter and a 12 megapixel shooter with your flash right up there. No optical image stabilization. You do have electronic image stabilization. So when you're shooting video from the front or the back, EIS is working. Let's go ahead and use the fingerprint reader. Not the fastest, but not the slowest. Working great. So let's go ahead and put the XZ2 Premium to the side. Here's the bubble wrap. The device itself came in this little baggie here, and then the bubble wrap surrounded it. So Amazon making sure that this device was well protected in this box that was already somewhat damaged, but not a big deal. If you look at the inside, hardly damaged at all. Right down there, but nothing, well, barely right there. If you can see that, I don't know. Anyway, taking care of the device while it was being shipped to me. Inside of here, you have your user guide. Some of you read that stuff, some of you don't. I was really surprised to see that there were some earbuds, and totally digging that, with some extra ear tips, USB Type-C cable, and your wall charger. You get wireless charging, okay? And you also get fast charge with this wall charger here. So that's a good thumbs up. And you have your dongle because you do not have a headphone jack. So there's a lot that this device has, and there's a few areas that it's lacking. And well, for some of you, the weight of this device may not be for you. The size of the device may not be for you. 16:9 aspect ratio, just like I mentioned earlier in the video, but I love the width, I love the height. The weight of the device does not bother me. Just a lot to love. The front dual speaker setup, the display is beautiful. It's gorgeous. You can look at that wallpaper, just stunning. Fingerprint reader works great. I like that it's on the back. Yes, I do hit the camera lens right here at times. So those reviews out there saying that that's kind of it's a minor issue because you have to get used to the area where the fingerprint reader is. Over time, I'll get used to that. But yeah, there's moments where I'm hitting that camera lens right there, but that's totally not a big deal. The cameras are supposed to take really great low light pictures. So I'm going to be testing that area out. Lots of pictures, lots of video. I'll be updating you throughout the reviewing process. But there's a lot to love, like I mentioned earlier. It's just, you know, it's going to be for some of you, and for some of you, it's not going to be what you're going to consider whatsoever. You're going to be looking at something brand new, or you will be looking for something that came out in the last year or two, maybe 3, and that's gone down in price, and you've decided that's what you want to pick up. Because, hey, anytime you can save money on a device that still will work in 2019, thumbs up to that. Going to do a quick and simple speaker comparison with the XZ2 Premium, Razer phone, and the ZTE Axon 7. Other devices here on my desk with dual speaker setup, Motorola Nexus 6, the Huawei Nexus 6P, and the Google Pixel 2 XL. If you want to see a speaker comparison with those devices up against the Sony Xperia XZ2 Premium, let me know down below in the comment section. Starting out with volume all the way up. Razer phone. Volume all the way up. ZTX on 7, volume all the way up. Now, I did want to point out on the XZ2 Premium, you have this extra functionality called dynamic vibration. And when you actually turn that on, you have these different levels here. The phone vibrates to the beat of, well, in this case, the music that we're listening to. It works for some music and for some it doesn't. It really works great when watching movies that contain a lot of action. A lot of action. And for you gamers, I'm not a gamer, but I would have to assume that's really got to boost your gaming experience. That, to some, is practical, and to others, it's just a gimmick, but it's there. And I'm going to turn it off. The Razr phone. You let me know down below, not just how loud these devices get when it comes to the audio, but the quality of the audio that's being delivered into your ears. The ZTX on 7, one of a kind. And there you go. Simple, sweet, quick speaker comparison. Feedback. Feedback is really appreciated, man. I love reading the feedback. And I do my best to get back to all of you.